I recently got a bunch of stuff, and one of them was this mini set. I've been wanting to try those for ages. Mini but mighty, right? It's amazing how such a small package can hold so much potential. Sometimes it's the little things that make a big difference. First, we have Olaplex Bonding Oil. It makes your hair stronger and healthier, so it breaks less. Delivers heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Makes hair smooth and silky. My hair feels amazing after using it, so smooth and easy to comb through. No more knots or tangles, just pure silky goodness. I should have gotten the bigger size, but that's okay. Next time, I'm stocking up. Next is Bond Smoother Styling Treatment. It doesn't stick my hair, it doesn't make it greasy, and it doesn't weigh it down. It also reduces frizz. Bond Maintenance Shampoo is so light, it foams quickly and richly. It doesn't make my hair greasy, and I didn't have an itchy scalp. I like this one too. I've used Olaplex No. 3 before, and I really like it. This hair treatment is like a miracle worker for bleached and heat-damaged hair. It's best to use this stuff on damp hair. That way, it goes on evenly, soaks in better, and you get the most out of it. And finally, we have the conditioner, which is not my favorite. All these products came with a seal all but oil, and I ordered them through Amazon. Oh, I'm a huge fan of this brand, and I'll definitely buy everything again, except for the conditioner. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't anything special either. Oil is definitely the star of this set, so wonderful that it's my discovery of the year. So have you tried Olaplex yet? What caught your eye here? Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.